Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how to install Bootstrap in React.js. Alright, so I have this basic React.js project with this button. So what we want to do is we want to install Bootstrap and get the Bootstrap button. Alright, so I'm using Visual Studio Code, but you can use whatever you like. So I have this basic React.js setup. I have this button in app.js. Alright, and I have opened a terminal right here. So new terminal will open up this new terminal. Alright, so what we want to do now is we want to open up a new browser. We want to search for Bootstrap and choose this one, getbootstrap.com. Click on that. Go down to this one, installation. Choose this one, Npm Install Bootstrap. Copy that. Go back to your IDE, in my case, Visual Studio Code. And we're gonna go to the terminal, make sure that you are in the correct folder and paste the code right here. If you are on a Mac, you may have to use sudo in the beginning. If you are on a PC, you don't have to do that. Alright. After that, just hit enter. Enter your password if you are on Mac. Alright, so now we are installing Bootstrap. Alright, so everything is installed. Now we can go to this one, node_modules. Find Bootstrap. This one, open up. Choose this one, dist. Choose CSS. And we want to have this one, bootstrap.css. So I want to link this. So I'm going to right click and copy this one, copy relative path. Alright. Now we can close this node_module. We're going to go to index.js. And here we want to import Bootstrap. And within single quotes, we're going to paste this relative path. Alright. And we're going to remove node_modules and the slash. Like so. If you are on another IDE, just do bootstrap/dist/css/bootstrap.css. Alright. After that, finish this off with a semicolon. Save this. Like that. Go back to app.js. Now we want to add a Bootstrap button. We're gonna go to the browser. We're gonna go to documentation and go down in the left sidebar. Click on this one, components, and choose buttons. Alright. So now we can choose one of these buttons just to check that everything is working. So just choose a button, copy, go back to your IDE, in my case VS Code. I'm just gonna delete this button and paste the Bootstrap button right here. Alright. We're gonna change class to class name. Like so. Save this. Now go to the browser where you have your React app. Update. And now we can see that we have a Bootstrap button. So everything is installed and now you can use Bootstrap in your React.js project. Okay everyone, so this is how you can install Bootstrap in React.js. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.